So guys, I sold Volatility 100 index here and you're moving in good profit. This signal was not actually shared, not this time, but everything is moving nicely well. So this is like a personal trade I took. So what's my analysis? What gave me this sell bias? What gave me this sell idea? And how did I know this index is going to sell from this zone? So firstly, I went to the weekly time frame, the daily time frame firstly, because whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities, when I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to trade whatsoever, I don't fail to start from the higher time frame. I always start from the higher time frame. It can be the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, or the daily time frame. So here I started from the daily time frame, and in my last two videos or so, I did a market analysis on Volatility 100 index, and I told you guys that I was expecting a sell on this index. I was expecting this index to short in the coming days and weeks. So here I was able to catch the sells on this index. We had this level spotted in that previous video where I analyzed this index. So after identifying this level, I spotted the market direction, which is one of the things I do whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities. And we can see clearly that this index is bullish. This index is heading to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. So I identified this market direction, then had my zone identified here. So our next level is at this point. Our next key zone is at this level. So I was expecting this index to sell to this identified zone because we've seen price create higher highs and higher lows formation. So next I went to the 4-hour time frame to have a clearer view on this index, and on this 4-hour time frame you can see that we're already getting markets move to the downside, creating this bearish structure, creating this lower highs formation, which is a bearish structure, right? And inside this lower highs formation, when we zoom in the chart, we can see that we got price create a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation, and this is a head and shoulders pattern formation. We got the left shoulder here firstly, we got the head at this point, right, and we got the right shoulder at this zone. This is a bearish market formation, so the sales is expected. After I saw price create this pattern formation, I went to a lower time frame because I was actually expecting market to sell to this identified zone, for possible buys in the coming days and weeks on the Volatility 100 index. So I got this level spotted, then I went to the 1-hour time frame to have a good entry point. So on this 1-hour time frame, I entered on the break and close of this bearish candlestick. This is like a pin bar, or would say hammer, but not really a perfect candlestick formation. But I knew that this index is going to sell from this zone, so I had my entry here. I placed my stop loss at this point. We're moving well in profit. More sales is expected, and we have a zone to watch out for. Regardless of this reversal pattern formation, we still have a key zone. We still have a level to watch out for, a key level of support, which is the neckline of this reversal pattern formation. So at this point where I got my entry, was kind of a risky trade. That's why I didn't share the setup. That's why I didn't give the signal on this index. So the proper sell zone would be a break and retest of this key level. If I can get price break below this level, give a retest on it, right? A retest of this kind, then I'll be expecting the sells on this index. I'm expecting this index to sell. Long-term sales is expected to our identified zone here, the level of 2334.66. That's my point of target on this index. So that's how I was able to take the sell trade on this index. I'll be watching close on market price action to have a second entry, a break and retest of this neckline, here. Then we're taking more sales on this index. That's where I could share the sell signal to my VIP members. So more sales is expected on this index, long-term sales. And I'll be moving my stop loss below my entry to stay safe in the trade. That's break even, and will as well close out on some positions that's taking partial. So that is, guys, that's how I was able to take the sell trade on this index. We are still getting more sales. This index is still dropping hard, right? You can see how well they're moving in profit. So that is, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews like this, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.